sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning?
This is my steam box. It's 12 feet long and it's made out of pretty heavy duty 2x planks. I need these planks to build the Strongback for the new boat more than I need the steam box. And I don't really need a 12-foot long steam box any longer, at least not at the moment. Because I'm going to take this apart. I'm going to reuse these planks so I don't have to go out and buy them because they're quite expensive. Right now, I'm going to start taking this thing apart. I'm Paul Bennett here in Millbridge, Maine, right along Maine's Bold Coast, very close to the US-Canadian border. This week, started building my Strongback, as you can see behind me, and that's what this episode is about. This is the first episode of the 18-foot sailboat build. And the reason why I'm starting with the Strongback is just like a house or any other building, you have to start with a good, sturdy, rigid foundation before you build a house. This is going to be good and sturdy, rugged, solid. It's going to be set up so that it's perfectly level. Put all my measurements on it to space out my frames. In this way here, my boat will be, everything will be in line. I'll make sure I have fair curves. Everything will be symmetrical. I come out with a nice job. I'm just using a lot of reclaimed materials. I didn't go out and buy anything new. It's going to be longer than this. This is 12 feet long. I have an 18-foot long boat that I'm building. So I'm going to build extensions off the end. So that's also part of that Strongback build. Basically, I'm just building, you're building a workbench without the top. You just leave the top off. So if you can build a workbench and leave the top off and just make a long one, basically you have a Strongback. You just have to take the extra care to make sure everything is square, level, and plumb. And
What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor?